Hi, after 5 years, you're back at IJSE again. So how does it feel?
A lot has changed over the last 5 years, but still it feels familiar.
So let's talk about how it all began.
I did my bachelor's degree in textile and apparel engineering at the University of Moratuwa, but unfortunately right after we graduated, COVID happened. So I couldn't really get into that industry. So I was at home, confused and worried about what to do next. Then I decided to switch into software and joined IJSE. After 6 months, I was able to get a job as a software engineer, and that basically changed everything for me.
Why are you excited about IJSE AI and ML program?
I'm excited about the KM program because AI is becoming really important right now. And as a software engineer, I felt like I should learn it properly and not fall behind. This course provides a good structured way to learn AI and ML. So that's why I'm really interested about it.
What would you say to someone considering enrolling?
I'd say if you are thinking about it, just go for it. It's not that easy, but if you put in the effort, it's definitely worth it.
Okay, Vin, thank you for sharing your experience with us. We wish you a continued success in ahead.
Thank you very much.